My name is Sophie Noel, and I'm an instructor in the engineering department here at Wake Tech Community College. This is my third semester. My second semester working full-time. My first semester was an adjunct in spring of 2020, which was quite the adventure. I'm looking forward to making kind of that reverse transition from mostly online back to being more in person. So a bit about myself. I am a chemical engineer by training. My background is a bachelor's degree in chemical engineering from Michigan State University. Once I finished that up, I moved down here to Raleigh to attend NC State University, where I got my master's and my PhD in chemical engineering. My background is more on the biotech side, so my dissertation was actually around fruit fly genetics and how flies go from embryo to adult without any additional input from the mother fly or anything like that. It's really fascinating how tightly controlled, especially development processes are, so that they happen consistently over time, that you can always go from embryo to adult and you'll get an adult at the end of it. It's pretty amazing. Once I finished my doctorate, I went and started an internship actually at a local biotech startup. I had never had any industrial experience before, and while I had gone to grad school with the intention of becoming a faculty member somewhere, I really wanted to add that life experience of working in industry before I went and started teaching again. I think it's so important. The faculty members that I had interacted with that had that industry experience had just that extra ability to apply what we were learning in the classroom to the skills we would need as professionals in the world. So I wanted to get those experiences for myself. I wound up working at that startup for a few years. The parts of the job that I was working in research and development, and the parts of the job that I found myself most drawn to and most enjoying were the times that I was mentoring junior scientists and mentoring interns. And I just found that I really missed academics. I missed teaching. That has been one of my greatest passions as I've gone through my bachelor's degree and through my PhD. So I was so thrilled to find the position at Wake Tech where I could really take what I've learned about engineering and impart it to students. I teach the Introduction to Engineering class. It's a super fun class, and I love just watching students go from not really even knowing what engineering is or having a vague idea of it to at the end of the semester they'll actually have done a whole engineering project, gone through the whole engineering design process, have a really cool device at the end of it, something that they've built with their own hands, and be able to say, yes, I am an engineer, I can be an engineer, I can do this. So I'm so grateful to be a faculty member here at Wake Tech, and I look forward to getting to know the next generation of North Carolina's engineers.